welcome everyone to this plenary workshop called Touring the Many Worlds of Virtual Facilitation. We've got invited speakers today who are, as someone who's been facilitating online for a really long time, these are among the 5 best people I've ever seen facilitate online. And as much as we've all been teaching online now for a year almost, I think every one of them will have something to teach all of us, including me, who has known them, almost all of them, for a really long time now. So I'm really excited to share this panel with you.
My session will simply be about the power of small stories to build trust. And we'll do 2 activities that lead us through storytelling.
And I'm Theresa. Welcome, everybody. I'm in breakout room 2. My session is focusing on theater of the oppressed, which is theater for social change. And in my room, we are going to focus on building community, having fun and playing, and practice leading with our bodies and trusting our body wisdom as a tool for learning.
Hi everyone, my name is Autumm Caines, and I know some folks have read an article that I wrote called The Zoom Gaze, where we explored some of the power dynamics around seeing and being seen in virtual environments. And so I'm going to be exploring that through the use of play so that we can maybe think about some of those power dynamics. And I'm ultimately doing it as a way of advocating for more or better orientation sessions to Zoom environments or to virtual environments in classes.
Hi everyone, I'm Leah, and I will be hosting a discussion and activity that I'm calling Embracing Quiet. And this has really come from what I've noticed during lockdown and the sort of increase in online meetings and working, and the exhaustion and the churn and the pressure and the stress that some of the sort of expected behaviors or norms of Zoom meetings and online meetings can bring. So I want to advocate for being quiet, and I want to advocate for slowing down. So I'll be guiding you through an activity that will help you sort of discover where you might have tensions about slowing down and being quiet and how you might be able to work through those.
Hi all, I'm Alexis. I don't want to give too much away because I feel like that takes away from my breakout room. But I'm going to be leading people through an activity that you may know. It's a liberating structure called TRIZ, and it's a useful, playful, kind of creative engagement tool to step back and reflect on things that we need to potentially challenge that might be counterproductive behaviors standing in the way of achieving our goals. So I'll be doing that, and I'll really be trying to think critically about hospitality and how hospitable we can be online.